Hi boys and girls! So, for today's reading lesson, we are going to be talking about nonfiction books. Remember, nonfiction books are books that teach, okay? So, as we are reading these nonfiction books, something that readers do is be able to compare information in nonfiction books, okay? That means we are looking at what is the same and what is different between the pages that we read, okay? We can talk about these pages by saying these pages are the same because, or we can say these pages are different because, okay? So I have this book, it's called Seeds and Plants, and as readers, I want you to keep an eye out and think about what is the same and what is different between the pages, okay? So I'm gonna get started. Seeds and Plants. Oh, so maybe we'll learn about seeds and plants in this book. Okay, let's get started with the reading, okay? Seeds and plants. Okay, and here's the table of contents. Okay. There are many kinds of plants. Most plants make seeds. The seeds grow into new plants. Apple seeds grow inside apples. They are small and brown. Put an apple seed in the ground. It will grow into an apple tree. So, remember, readers are able to compare information in nonfiction books. So, I want to think, what is the same on these pages? I can say these pages are the same because it's talking about apple seeds, right? Okay, so I'm going to put that in a post-it. I can put on my post-it that these pages are the same because they're talking about apple seeds. There I have kind of like the two triangles to show that they're the same, and I wrote apple seeds because that's what both these pages are talking about. Okay, I'm going to continue reading, okay? Peanuts are seeds. They grow in a shell. Some farmers plant peanuts. The peanuts grow into peanut plants. So, as nonfiction readers, we are also thinking about what is different between the pages. So, I know that this page was talking about apple seeds that grow into apple tree, but on this page, this is talking about peanuts that are also seeds. What is different between these two pages? I can say these pages are different because apple seeds grow into apple trees, but peanuts grow into peanut plants. So I can put that in a post-it that shows that they are different. These pages are different because apple seeds grow into trees and peanuts grow into plants. Just like that. So I have a triangle and a circle to show that they are different, and I'm going to put that right here to show that on this page I found a difference between the pages. Okay, let's continue reading, okay? Acorns are seeds. Acorns grow on oak trees. Acorns fall from oak trees. Some grow into new oak trees. Are you thinking about what is the same or what is different between these pages? Okay, I'm going to continue reading and I want you to think of an idea, okay? Coconuts are seeds. They are the biggest seeds in the world. Coconuts grow into coconut trees. Coconut trees grow where it is sandy. So now I want you to think, what is the same between these pages? So remember, this page is talking about acorns and oak trees, and this one is talking about coconuts and coconut trees. What can you say that is the same between these pages? Right. Okay, you can say these pages are the same because the seeds grow into trees. Oh my gosh, that is a great idea. So I'm going to help you write that down. Okay, you can say these pages are the same because the seeds grow into trees. Okay, I have that right here, and I'm going to put it in the book. Okay, but there's also another question we need to ask, which is, what is different between these pages? Okay, what is something that you notice? Okay, remember, these are acorns that grow into oak trees, and coconuts, it says they're the biggest seeds that grow into coconut trees. So what is something that's different? Right, maybe you can say these pages are different because seeds can be big, like coconuts, or they can be small, like acorns, right? Oh, okay, so that could be a difference, right? Seeds can be big or small. And that is what I have here, and I'm going to put it right in the book to show a difference that you found, just like that. Those are some great ideas, readers. So, nonfiction readers, as you're reading these teaching books, I want you to keep an eye out for information that you are learning and that you're comparing the information that you're reading about, thinking about what is the same and think about what is different. Okay, so make sure when you're reading your nonfiction books, you are thinking and comparing their information. Alright, great job, and go have fun reading your nonfiction books.